Elaine, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited right now because I think it's my first video in my new home. And it's my last and final Yesstyle unboxing. And I feel like I got some hidden gems because I did a lot of research. I've been getting like so many stuff from Yesstyle every month that my whole closet and vanity is full of Yesstyle stuff. All right, first box. Oh no. So this time I only ordered 2 like skin beauty products. And the first one is going to be this Madagascar Centella Sun Serum. But I heard a lot of good things about this, so I wanted to try it since I ran out of sunscreen. The next one is the Centellian Madeka Cream. So like I told you guys in my previous video, my parents called me all the way from Korea to comment about my bad skin. So they're like, Elaine, go get this right now. So I was like, okay, say less. And thankfully Yesstyle had this. So I never got the eyelashes from Yesstyle, but for some reason, these looked really cute. I won't try them today, but I'll probably try them like my next makeup video, so stay tuned. All right, now let's move on to the clothes. Nice! So many dark stuff. Yeah, I really jinxed myself right now, because what in the world did I get? Like, yo, it's so bright. And this like floral print? I am confused. What did I get? First, I got a little cute sweater. Let's try it on. Really cute. I like it. It's really like comfortable. It is chemo, so it's really warm inside and furry. Perfect for fall and winter, or California fall and winter. But I wish this was slightly more like bigger, be a little bit more overfit, because I personally like overfit, but this is fine too. And this print is pretty cute. It's not like too eye-catching, but with this red right here, it's eye-catching enough. I usually like when there's prints like right on the chest. It's like a perfect throw-on sweater. Let's move on to another top. Huh? How do I wear this? Guys, I'm so confused. Okay, let me try it on. I don't know, somehow. Let me somehow like try to fit into this. Huh? Oh my gosh, guys, that was a hassle, but I finally did it. I almost gave up, but okay, but why is she so cute? So yeah, as you guys saw, this is all just one thing, but it was like really, I don't know, it was so confusing to wear. But it was just the first time that was hard. I think I could do this really well the next time. And also guys, this ribbon, I don't know if I tied it well, but it's so cute. It's so defront. And the sleeves, I like the extra puff here. It's adding more, I don't know, more detail. And I like how I could adjust this tightness with like the string. And then the texture is really nice too, and it's really stretchy. Even with like the jeans, I feel like this is the move with the jeans. All right, let's go to our next top, this neon orange. This is gonna be so good. Okay, let's try it. Guys, this is such a bold color. But this material is pretty thin. Not too stretchy, but pretty stretchy. Off shoulders tend to like go up throughout the day and I like pull it down. But this one is just meant to be like this. It's not going up. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm assuming this is another top. Oh, I never wear dresses, especially floral dresses. I don't know what was in my mind, but I got this. Oh yeah, I've never done transitions like that, but like, let's do it. All right, you probably noticed, but something I really don't like about this dress is this freaking tie up here. Like what? Like, what? Wait, is this off shoulder? Wait, low key? I could see this, Where's my sunglasses? You know, like with the black bag on and like some sunnies. Bam. You know, I don't know, I can't really see. Is it giving? But anyways, I bought this because I wanted to wear with the leather jacket, which I got right here. Okay, smell is not bad. No, the total fail for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, but this leather jacket, I like really like it. It's pretty thin material, so I feel like I won't sweat too much in it, but it'll be warm enough. And I like how it's not zipper, but it's a button, and they are barely visible because it's black. And this oversized length and the color makes it a little bit more formal. All right, I believe this is a skirt, so maybe this will go better with the leather. You know what I noticed? Like all Yesstyle skirts are so short. But first of all, I love the texture, really stretchy, and it's a skirt. And also I got a sweater. Wait, this is kind of cute. Really stretchy, and navy. So let me try this and this skirt together. Just so I have a top to wear with this. First of all, I love this top, this sweater. It's so comfortable, it's really warm and really stretchy. For this skirt, it's so short. Oh my gosh. Like I can't even turn around, you can see my booty cheek, but it's really comfortable actually. Like I feel like you can use this for like sports too, but it's really short. But the skirt texture is not elastic. It's pretty tight, but very breathable. Like hear it? And on the side, there's a little zipper. Oh dang, it's pretty big. My whole palm went in. So I think you could dress this up or down. But I actually got socks, and I think it would be the best to go with this fit right now than any other ones, because yeah, they are ribbon stockings. I don't know how I feel about it too much because I just don't wear stockings. But I thought it was a cute addition to any fit if I want to spice it up a little bit. It's really cutesy. It's really comfortable. I was like low-key scared that it might rip while I'm like wearing it. But it's tighter than you think. Much more stable. Okay, but anyways, let's go with our last piece of clothing. Ah! Yes! I was waiting for this. I really wanted to try this. I'm hoping this really works. Like I'm really hoping. Well, Yesstyle, I need you guys to like seriously. This is my second time not having a buttonhole. Okay, we're gonna eat our carrot. All right. Perfect. Okay, I got the skirt on and I just got a random black top and some shoes. The quality of it is pretty good. Like the texture really nice. The thickness is more on the thinner side, but not really that noticeable. I prefer the front cut instead of the back cut because I don't know. I feel like it's more comfortable, and I tried walking up the stairs and it works. Alright guys, I have tried everything that I got, I believe. And just a reminder that I do have a discount code, so you guys can check it out. I do have all the links to all the products down here, so you can go check that out as well. But anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!